Meanwhile, the NBI says it will investigate the alleged involvement of certain media practitioners in the pork barrel scam once given the go signal by Justice Secretary De Lima. Noel Perfecto filed this report.
NBI Director Virgilio Mendez says that upon the orders of Justice Secretary Laila De Lima, there would be an investigation on members of the media who allegedly received bribes from the PDAF scam. Following Malacanang's announcement that there would be no special treatment for broadcasters who repeatedly incurred payoffs from the PDAF. Two new whistleblowers from the NAB Corps revealed that two broadcasters from two huge broadcasting stations received bribes from the PDAF or the pork barrel funds.
Once we will have receive the instruction from the Secretary of Justice, then we will work on it. We're just trying to gather whatever information is available, open information, open sources. A directive from the Office of the Secretary, then we'll gladly do it.
Meanwhile, investigation of the three-man ad hoc committee in aiding the two officials of the Bureau would involve a retired official, while the other official was even promoted. As per revelations of former Deputy Director for Intelligence, Reynaldo Esmeralda, and former Deputy Director for Investigation, Ruel Lasala, there would be a CCTV footage or evidence which would prove that the officials truly met with Janet Lim Napoles even before being identified as the Queen of Scams. Mendez said that it is essential to pinpoint who these officials are.
I have no idea now because after I issue the order, then it's up to the committee on how they will run the show. I just want the truth to come out.
Assistant Director Medardo de Lemos, on the other hand, also ad hoc committee assured that they would do their best in fulfilling their investigation on the said matters. De Lemos would convene on Monday with Deputy Director for Forensics Division Eduardo Villarta and Deputy Director Ricardo Pangan to start off with the probe where Attorney Esmeralda and Attorney Lazala would be summoned. For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.